Hey man, you want to see how easy it is to clean the glass on the vertical smoker? Absolutely. I love when things are easy to clean up.
Do you have a bucket? Yeah, good size bucket. How about liquid soap? Plenty of liquid soap. A clean cloth or sponge? A sponge with a rough side too. And hot water? Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Look how dirty that thing is. That's ridiculous. You can't even see me behind here. We're gonna fix that up. Hold on. All right. So we got sponge. That's the scrubby side on the back. That's gonna ease our ability to get all this gunk crap off there. Look at that hot soapy water. Watch how easy this is, boys and girls. Come on with me. Get the old sponge in there, nice and warm. Oh, actually it's a little too warm, for my liking anyway. So let's see here. Rubbing it on there. That scrubby side, there we go. Yeah. Ooh, this is nice and thick. Had a couple of long cooks on this thing. That's all right. I usually keep the bucket right underneath it. That way, you're gonna have some drippage. It is what it is. Ooh, looky there, I can see. I can see. My goodness. Yeah, that scrubby side is the cat's meow. Yes, sir. Oh, just absolutely delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So that's all it is, folks. Just get some hot water and a scrubby pad here. Look how much better that looks. That is just crazy. I'm not gonna bore y'all with watching me watch this whole thing, so hang on a second and I'll be done. Man, look how pretty that is. Clean as a whistle and you see right through it. See what happens with a little hot water, some liquid soap, and a sponge with a scrubby pad on the back of it, and a little elbow grease? Looking pretty. Just look at that again. Look how pretty that is. Pretty and clean. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up if y'all enjoyed this video. And also, take a look at my other videos that I have up on my channel. Shoot me a subscribe if you'd like. That always helps as well. Again, appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a great day.